What's up guys, my name is Matt and this is the Creative Income Life. If you're new here, I teach creative ways to make money online such as Amazon Merch on Demand, KDP, and Etsy. In this video, I'm going to show you a new feature in Canva, and this is a much needed feature that's been missing for a long time. This is the Layers tool. If you look here, used to, like, if you had one of these in front of the other, you'd have to come up here and go position and then send to back or front. But now you could select, say this text here, go to position, and now we have a layers area. So you can now move these in front of one another. You could also select each individual one. And then you could right click on that. You could lock it. So you could lock the position or just lock it in general. And then here's like your background. So you can come up here and change it to whatever color you would like. But this is a neat little feature that is much needed in Canva. Say I had mom in front of the nacho. I could come over here. If I want to select the nacho, I could do that. And then pull that down. Or select mom. And then pull that down. However I need to do it. The only thing I wish it had that I don't see is the ability to like turn off and on a layer. So if I wanted to keep this layer just for some reason, I don't see that being an option. If you know of a way, just leave a comment below and let me know if that's possible. But I don't think that's possible at this point in time. But that would be the only thing that I would see that I would definitely like to have. I believe this is only for the Pro membership. If you're not using a Pro membership of Canva, which I'll leave a link below, and you can try it out. There's a lot of cool features like the bulk create. If you're doing Amazon Merch on Demand to create a bunch of designs at a time, and I'll leave a link to that video down below so you can see how that works. But anyways, if you've enjoyed this content, take a second, hit the subscribe button below, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.